Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to safely delete a contact, also known as a lead, in GoHighLevel. This is crucial for maintaining data privacy and complying with regulations like GDPR. Deleting contacts is straightforward, but it must be handled with care to ensure compliance with data protection laws. Let's get started. Safe deletion of contacts is crucial due to regulations like GDPR, which grants individuals the right to have their personal data erased under specific conditions. The General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, gives people the right to erasure, also known as the right to be forgotten. This means if personal data is no longer necessary for its original purpose or if consent is withdrawn, individuals can demand its deletion. Data controllers are required to honor these requests to maintain privacy and trust. Failing to comply with GDPR erasure requests can result in severe penalties. Tier 1 violations, such as improper data collection, can lead to fines up to 10 million euros or 2% of global annual revenue. More serious Tier 2 violations, like ignoring opt-out requests, carry fines up to 20 million euros or 4% of revenue. The average fine for GDPR breaches is around 2.8 million euros. To help users comply, GoHighLevel partnered with privacy compliance firms in 2025 to provide built-in GDPR consent management tools. Users can now tag contacts with consent statuses like opt-in or opt-out, making it easier to handle erasure requests and maintain compliance. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and navigating to the Contacts or Leads section. Next, find the contact you want to delete using the search bar or filters. Once found, select the contact and click the Delete button. Finally, the platform will show a confirmation prompt before completing the deletion. To delete multiple contacts, use the filters to select a group, such as by tags like GDPR Delete. Check the boxes next to the contacts you want to remove. Click the Delete button at the top of the list. You'll be asked to confirm the action. Remember, bulk deletions require admin-level access to prevent accidental data loss. When deleting contacts in GoHighLevel, GDPR compliance is crucial. Always verify a contact's identity before deleting their data, for example, via email confirmation. This ensures you're deleting the right person's information. Document the deletion process in an audit log. This creates a record of who deleted what and when, which is required for GDPR accountability. For leads from EU residents, ensure deletion applies to all associated data like notes and email history. GDPR requires complete erasure to prevent zombie data persistence. GoHighLevel also emphasizes data minimization, where only necessary data is kept. This reduces risk and aligns with GDPR principles of processing only what's needed. GoHighLevel's data retention and deletion module offers an improved way to manage contact data safely and efficiently. The module allows users to set automated deletion policies specifically for inactive contacts, helping maintain data cleanliness. It integrates seamlessly with GDPR requirements by providing comprehensive audit trails for all deletion actions, ensuring full traceability and compliance. Deletion in GoHighLevel is permanent and irreversible in most cases, with data completely purged from servers within 30 days as per their updated privacy policy. This feature helps agencies reduce compliance risks, automate routine tasks, and maintain trust with data subjects under global privacy regulations. When deleting contacts in GoHighLevel, it's crucial to understand that this action only removes data from the platform itself. Third-party integrations, such as email services like Gmail or automation tools, are not automatically affected. You must manually access and delete the contact's data from these connected platforms to ensure complete removal and maintain compliance with regulations like GDPR. For instance, if a contact is integrated with Gmail for email history or with Zapier for workflow automation, deleting them in GoHighLevel won't touch that external data. These connections remain active unless you intervene directly. To achieve full deletion, log into each third-party service and remove the contact's information manually. This might involve checking settings, searching for the contact, and confirming permanent erasure. Tools like the integration diagram can help visualize these connections. Neglecting this step can result in compliance issues, as seen in cases where businesses faced fines under CCPA for incomplete data removal. Data that persists in integrations could violate privacy laws and expose your organization to legal risks. As a best practice, Always audit your integrations before deletion and verify removal afterward. This holistic approach ensures thorough compliance and protects both your business and your contacts' data privacy. To stay updated and avoid mistakes in contact deletion, keep an eye on GoHighLevel's updates for new features related to data privacy. A US-based agency was fined $500,000 under CCPA for not deleting data from integrated tools, highlighting the risks of incomplete deletions. This underscores the need for holistic deletion checks in GoHighLevel ecosystems to ensure all data is properly removed. By following these steps and staying informed, you can confidently manage your contacts and maintain GDPR compliance.